Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and I make videos about fashion, styling, lifestyle and also my personal blogs. This is the second part of my previous video which I've shared with you, my top 5 coats. Today I'm going to share about my top 5 jackets for winter essential. This series is all about essential clothing which you need to build your closet. I'm still in that process. I'm building my closet. So I think I can share my experience and my picks with you guys so that you can build your closet as well. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so my first pick in my top 5 jackets is obviously denim jacket. This jacket is not only for winters or fall. I can say this jacket you need all around the year. Yes, I wear my denim jacket in summer, in spring, in winter, any season you talk about, because I love denim jackets. Is right now my favorite denim jacket. I bought this again 3 years ago from Zara, and this is oversized denim jacket. Like when I bought this was oversized, but now it's not. This is my size now. So yeah, this one I really love. This works perfectly with anything. Believe me, anything. You wear it with dresses, with bodycon dresses, with short, flowy dresses, frocks, all with denims, anything. This works perfect with everything. And I really suggest you to keep one nice denim jacket in your closet, because denim jacket goes a long way. This is not trend. This is not, a short-term, short period fashion. It's a classic choice for your closet. You all need denim jacket. Yeah, there it is. Hi guys, so the second jacket on my list, which is very essential for any closet, if you guys are building your closet. To be honest, I'm talking about all the jackets which are essential for your closet. I'm not going to talk about anything else. So yeah, the second one is leather jacket. Yeah, I think everyone, whether it's a boy, whether it's a man, whether it's a woman, everyone needs one nice leather jacket in their closet. This one is a faux leather, and I bought this from Guess this year. I have my other leather jacket before, but that doesn't fit me anymore. So here's the new one, and we call it leather jacket, we call it moto jacket or biker jacket also. That has a lot of names. This looks really smart with any outfit. Being a woman, I can say I can wear it with my dresses, with my bodycon dresses, short dresses, long dresses, denims, everything. These are the jackets which I'm talking about. You can style them in 1,000 ways, and these are the most wearable items in your closet. So definitely they're gonna be essential, Alright guys, so next move on to the third one. It's kind of, we are moving from the less warm to the warmer kind of jackets. So the third one I want to talk about bomber jacket. Yeah, there's so many kinds of bomber jackets, which are like, some are really thin. I have something which is good for winters, this red bomber jacket. Yeah, I got this jacket I think a few years ago from Forever 21 on sale. I really wanted a red jacket in my closet, so I bought this, and it is serving me so well since then. This is red color. This works so good with all of my clothes again. And apart from black and white, I think red is the color which is essential for your closet. You should have at least 1 or 2 items in your closet. So I have this jacket, and it's working so perfectly, and it is a waist length, so it looks really cute and really casual as well. I don't think so I can style it in a formal way, like I can dress it up, but yeah, for the dressing down it works perfectly. I bought this in red color. You guys need a bomber jacket. You can buy in any different color, or according to your place, where you're living, you can buy less warmer, which are thin bomber jackets, and you can style them, but I really preferred this one because I live in a very cold country, so this is going to work very well for me. Hi guys, so my fourth pick in my top 5 jackets is Puffer jacket. Yes, puffer jackets are really essential if you guys living in a cold weather or cold country. This is one of my puffer jacket. This is black. You know, black is the color which goes with everything. But you know, I totally love this jacket. I don't know what material is this. This is so beautiful. It has shine. It looks matte. This is so pretty. I totally love this jacket. You know, I wear this with many things, and then it has this extra collar, which is faux fur collar. And this looks beautiful. This is one of my favorite bomber jacket, guys. This looks amazing with everything, and it is so warm. You know, puffer jackets are actually essential for your closet because if you're living in any cold place, they are really good. They actually stop winds to come inside and they keep you warm. And I totally love this. This is my perfect pick. So I wanted to share my another puffer jacket with you guys as well because you know I love that jacket. So I have two puffer jackets in my closet. I totally love this jacket. This jacket is everything. I only wear this single jacket outside in snow. It's gonna keep me warm. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys. I bought this from Zara again I think 2 years ago, but this is going really well. And it has like, you know, these tight cuffs as well, so wind doesn't go anywhere from any side. And it has this really nice parka hood and it keeps me warm. I totally love this. All these closet essentials, if you're living in really cold country, really prefer on some parka jackets and some puffer jackets. They're gonna keep you warm. I can't say about stylish, but they're gonna keep you warm for sure. Because I'm a big sucker of coats. You know, coats, they really don't like keep you warm because you have to do a lot of layering with that. But with these jackets, you don't have to do like a lot of layering. You don't have to wear so many clothes underneath. They're gonna work perfectly without anything. Hi guys, the fifth jacket I want to talk about is long parka jacket. I have this jacket. This is long, this is knee-length jacket, and it's a parka jacket, and it actually serves its purpose very well. I can say this is essential for you because long jackets saves you better from the cold weather. I'm gonna try this and show you. I bought this in a cream color. I always keep in mind to add some color in my closet with those jackets and coats so that, you know, I can style them in different ways. And if I wanted to wear some colored clothes during some gloomy day, I feel good about it, you know. So this off-white or cream color jacket, I bought this again 2 or 3 years ago. You know, I'm continuously building my closet, but these beautiful pieces are serving the purpose. And yeah, this is really warm again. It's thigh length, or I can say knee length, and it is working perfectly for my closet, and it keeps me warm too. So because it's long, it is giving effect of, you guys, you can call it jacket or coat. You know, some people call it coat, I call it jacket. So this is in my jacket list. Yeah, you really need this. If you want to go longer than that, definitely go for that because these jackets actually saves you from colder weather. Hi guys, so this is it. These were my top 5 jackets. I hope this video gonna work you to help you to build your closet and to include some essential, you know, items or pieces in your closet. And this is it. I'll come up with another video next time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you want me to make any specific video on clothing, styling, anything, please let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel because your one subscribe means a lot. Thank you very much. Much love. Mwah.